Fossa by Dr. Nisha Chetan Shah is a diamond-shaped fossa present behind the knee joint. You can see this is a popliteal fossa present behind the knee joint. Fossa is having following parts. It is having boundaries. It is having angles. It is having roof and floor. Let us learn first the boundaries of popliteal fossa. This is a superior medial boundary. This is a superior lateral boundary, inferior lateral boundary, and inferior medial boundary. Superior medial boundary of popliteal fossa is formed by two hamstring muscles, semitendinosus and semimembranosus. Superior lateral boundary is formed by biceps femoris, long head and short head. Inferior lateral boundary of popliteal fossa is formed by lateral head of gastrocnemius. Inferior medial boundary of popliteal fossa is formed by medial head of gastrocnemius. The fossa is having four angles. This is a superior angle. This is an inferior angle, medial angle, and lateral angle. Roof of popliteal fossa. Roof means the structures covering the popliteal fossa. Roof is formed by skin, superficial fascia, deep fascia or popliteal fascia. The superficial fascia contains the following structure. It contains the short saphenous vein, sural communicating nerve, posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh, and posterior division of medial cutaneous nerve of thigh. These all structures are present in the roof of popliteal fossa. This is the deep fascia covering the popliteal fossa, and it is forming the roof of popliteal fossa. Floor of popliteal fossa. Floor means the structure present behind the popliteal fossa or the fossa is resting on which structures. They all form the floor. The floor is formed by following structures from above downwards. They are number 1, popliteal surface of femur. The popliteal surface of femur is also called as lower posterior surface of femur. The second structure forming the floor of popliteal fossa is synovial capsule of the knee joint. You can see white colored synovial capsule. And third structure forming the floor is upper posterior surface of tibia with the muscle popliteus. Contents of popliteal fossa. The contents of popliteal fossa, let us learn the content from medial to lateral side. The first content is popliteal artery. You can see red colored popliteal artery with its branches. The second structure in the content is a popliteal vein. You can see blue colored popliteal vein. The vein always receives the tributaries. Next content is a nerve. At the superior angle of popliteal fossa, the sciatic nerve is dividing into two branches. One is tibial nerve and another is common peroneal nerve. The other content of popliteal fossa is a fat and loose areolar tissue as well as popliteal lymph nodes. All these structures form the content of the popliteal fossa. Now common peroneal nerve leaves the fossa through its lateral angle. The rest of the three structures, that is popliteal artery, popliteal vein and tibial nerve, they changes their places from upper to lower part of the fossa. In upper part of the fossa, the structures are present from medial to lateral side. They are popliteal artery, popliteal vein, tibial nerve and common peroneal. In the middle part of the fossa, all the three structures are overlapping each other. Most anterior structure is popliteal artery, second is popliteal vein, and most posterior structure is tibial nerve. In the lower part of the fossa, the structures are changing their places. From medial to lateral side, they are tibial nerve, popliteal vein, and popliteal artery. Applied anatomy or clinical anatomy of popliteal fossa. The blood pressure is universally recorded over the brachial artery in the upper limb in the cubital fossa. But instead of cubital fossa, the blood pressure is also recorded over the popliteal fossa. You can see this diagram in the popliteal artery. So this is a recording of the blood pressure in upper limb, and this is a recording of the blood pressure in the lower limb. It is recorded in the popliteal artery present in the popliteal fossa. The pulsations, this is a diagram, the pulsations of popliteal artery is felt in the popliteal fossa. This is how the pulsations is felt. The leg is semi-flexed and the pulsations is felt. Next, applied anatomy, the aneurysm of popliteal artery. See, this is a popliteal artery, and aneurysm of popliteal artery is very commonly seen.